Texas has the second highest number of human trafficking cases in the U.S. I'm Bobby Portavant. Come with me as I take a closer look at what is being done and what you need to know. Carla Solomon spent years under other people's control, starting when she was a child. She's a survivor. Carla recalls her state of mind leading up to her freedom.
I remember whenever I was walking out of the hotel, there was a bunch of people behind me and they were calling and shouting, and I had no idea that they were calling my name. I was so, I guess, brainwashed that I didn't realize that they were talking to me. And it actually took one of the agents to get in my face and ask me, "Are you Carla Solomon?"
Carla now has a thriving family, has trained hundreds of thousands to help fight human trafficking. She also helps survivors through Mercy Gate Ministries, helping put criminals behind bars by sharing her story.
My whole mission is that when I leave this world, I just want to hear "job well done."
She's not alone in the fight. Christy Hayes is with Unbound Now Waco.
So training is a big piece. That's one of our main pillars of what we do. I think in the last 11 years, we've trained 192,000 professionals and youth. And that means going into hospitals, law enforcement, training them on what human trafficking is, identifying victims.
Artificial intelligence, or AI, is also helping by taking information and connecting the dots.
And you can now connect the owner of this massage parlor, shares an email address with the owner of that massage parlor, and there's 5 other people that are all tied back, and 2 of them have criminal records, and one of them's on a watch list for human trafficking.
It's serving justice faster.
I mean, we're seeing investigations, for example, that used to take literally weeks and months to do are being done now in sometimes hours.
Now, while the fight continues to go on, Carla tells me her trafficker is serving decades behind bars, and she didn't have to testify for it to happen. In Waco, I'm Bobby Portavant.